Hayi kanti alikho ke elinye izulu osazolibona ngaphandle kwaleli wena ozozakhela lona, alikho elinye izulu. Ngizophinda ngikutshela nje futhi ukuthi nesihogo hell asikho esinye isihogo. Isihogo isona leso kusona, yabo, isona lesi. Lokho ocabanga ukuthi uyokubona wena ngale masufile ngokwenyama, hayi kube kwi-reflection yakho kona lokhu okukhona khona la. Ngani ngasho ngathi mina okubushwe emhlabeni kubushwe emazulwini, okukhulwe emhlabeni kukhulwe emazulwini, injalo nje ayijiki. Lalela ke, sengiyiprovile mina lento yokuthi ngampela heal, makuthiwa heal lokhu is bani, is hell la ngemuva, bese kuthiwa heaven is hate. Asengikuprovile lokho, ngikubonile. Yabo, if I ascend my energy from bottom to the top, konke yenzakalayo biological la emzimbeni la nje eyithendeni ngemuva, konke yenzakalayo nala ethweni, konke yenzakalayo lapho, kube konke yenzakalayo la futhi. Lento ikutshela khona impela ukuthi usuka kwa hell uya ka heaven. Lonto ukwazi ukuyenza ukhona la emhlabeni ungakafe. Wama sufile kusuka kuzoba i-reflection yalento ade yenzeka ngala. Akukho okunye okusha ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasho ukuthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo isiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Ya, sengiyiprovelile nami lento kaningi nje. Yabo, konke yenzakalayo la ethweni ezansi la emalokhu eyithendeni, yabo, kuyapha konke edonsekayo, kuyaphakama, sakudonseka sakuphakama. Iyapi? Iyale phezulu, yabo, iyale phezulu into iyadonseka bese iza la phezulu ekhanda, iza la phezulu. Konke yenzakalayo la ngathi sa vibration like, yabo, ubone ngampela sisuka la kwa hell siya kwa heaven. So ngaleyo ndlela ke, if kuukuthi wena usekhona la, awukazi uze ukwenze lokho ukuthi ususe energy yakho ezansi iye phezulu, lokho awukwenzi ngendlela yodwa. Ziningi indlela zokuyenza lonto. Meditation is also one of the ways yokwazi ukwenza lokho. Uma ungakazi ukwenza lokho, kusho ukuthi your soul will be trapped in hell. Angithi uze kuthiwa connect to isola esicathulo, solar and soul. Yithwa isola is a soul. It's because isola iyona eyini exhumanisa nomhlaba. Isola lesicathulo iyona exhumanisa nomhlaba, angithi. So your soul is trapped in hell because when your soul descended down from heaven in the spirit, it was the spirit before it was the soul, yabo, descended down to bani. When you experience this earth, angithi, you experience this world, consciousness in a form, consciousness in form. Now you are experiencing, now you are a soul, yeah, descended down from what? From the spirit, and now your soul is down here, yabo, you are experiencing this life, this physical life, angithi. So that is why ke bethi ke isoul yakho isola yakho le, ngoba the soul travels the earth through the soul, yabo. The soul travels earth through the what? The soul. Experience lo mhlaba wena lo ngale sola yakho le, ukwazi ukuba segoli. Ma ufuna uku-experience ukuba segoli, your soul will experience ukuba segoli through your soul, yabo. So ke ungakwazi ukuthi, angithi uyabona ukuthi kudingeka ukuthi uze uhambe uze ufike lapho ukuze uku-experience lokho. Kodwa uma kuwukuthi wena ukwazile ukususa i-energy yakho noma isoul yakho from hell to heaven, uzokwazi ukuba anywhere and everywhere without you traveling with your soul. Yeah, cathulo. noma uyangizwani, uzokwazi ukwenza lokho without traveling with your soul ecathulo, ngoba uqala ngokuba lapho ngathini yabo mangabe energy yakho soyinyusile noma you have ascended. Now you don't need to be a millionaire and a successful person like experience it physically so for you to believe ukuthi kunjalo. You start by living there energetically with your mind, through your mind. You just live there, and then by so doing you pull up mukwenza lokho consistently, you just pull up that experience. So experience uqale wena ukuyi-experience ingakenzeki physically, because now you were able to ascend from the hill. Your soul was taken down, was taken from the hell all the way up to the heaven. So now we are going to be able to have these mystical experiences of experiencing something energetically before it's manifest physically. Yabo? So mungawenzileke lokho kokunyusa energy yakho ngale ndlela engikhuluma ngayo and ascend to the heaven while we are still here, kusho ukuthi wena you'll be trapped kuma desires alomhlaba, because if you don't do that, you also do that with meditation. Meditation iyakwazi ukuthi udetach from the hell. The hell is this one lokona manje wena. So you will be able to detach if you do the meditation. And if you die physically, we are kwelingaboni kwelikamoya, uzobe vele udetachile vele, yabo, uzobe udetachile because you were able to do that while you are still alive. So ayikho into ekuthiwa energetic entanglement and attachment ezobe kusalele wena, yabo, ngobani ukwazile ukuthi udetach usekhona ngala, ngoba meditation yakusiza. Mungayenza meditation ngempela usaphila, uzoba nayo inkingi impela, mase sewungasekho emhlabeni in terms of physical, uzoba nayo inkingi ngoba phela i-meditation iyakwazi ukuthi kwenza ukuthi udetach, uobserve nje. Uyakwazi ukuobserve without attachment, ngoba mawe meditator lento ibiza ukuthi uzokwazi nokusurrender to a thought that you deem to be very, very important that you need to engage with, but you'll have to let it go just like that because you are still meditating. Each and every thought, they will come, maybe many of them will come, but because you are meditating, it means you gotta let them go, and what will be left there is just a vacuum. It's just an empty space. It's just a vacuum. Now we are going back to your Father now, heaven. Now you are going back to your Father. That is heaven. Yabo? So now you'll be even in your real life. Now you'll be able not to attach and look at things. You'll be able also to look at things dispassionately without you assigning your emotions into things, but looking at things like dispassionately, ungafaka ama emotions kuyona into. Uyabo? I-detachment ke leyo. So yeah, it's a matter of that. It's not, this thing is not like poetic. It's symbolic. Yabo? It's allegorical. It's symbolic. Umhlambululi nje, umhlambululi mungamsearcha la, usearch umhlambululi unayo nje manje i-initiative ayithathile yokuthi alokhu nje aguide abantu through meditation, yabo. Uyithathile lo initiative ngokumuzwa kwami angathi uzoyenza for the rest of July. So meaning we are left with 3 weeks right now. So njalo ngomgqibelo uqala ngobani, I don't know, but mhlawumbe you can check with him mhlawumbe at 6 or so. But into engiyazi ukuthi uzokusiza ngayo meditation khona uzosuka from hell to heaven. Yabo, your hell ukuhlanganisa nomhlaba. Umhlaba iwona lo hell kahle. Wena funda ukudetach kulo hell lo, unyukele to the heaven, i-energy yakho ayingabi la down, because uma ngabe izoba down la, it means it is entangled on all these things. And if you die like physically, ungasekho la emhlabeni, ucabanga ukuthi yini ezokwenza ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi isoul yakho ingabi nama desires alo emhlabeni nje.